Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, I'll solve row with minimum number of ones. So let's solve the problem. In problem statement, you can see there are given an 2D array binary matrix, and you have to determine the row that contains minimum number of ones. Okay, now understand this problem through an example. In this example, you can see there are four rows. Okay, in first rows there are how many numbers are four there. In first row there are four numbers of one, and in second row how many numbers of one? Two. And in third row how many numbers of one? Two. And in fourth row there are four times one. So we need to find minimum number of ones in row, in given row, that rows. Okay, and in this case there are minimum number of ones are two. Okay, minimum numbers of one are two, but there are two rows are minimum number of ones. We need to do, we need to find first row, because it arrive first, second row arrive first, so we need to consider that row. Okay, so in output it will show 2, because it is minimum number of ones. And the time complexity of this O of n into m. Okay, and space complexity will be O of 1. Okay, now go to code. First we need to mean minimum ones count. Math function math dot int, then minimum row count, then okay, minimum row index, it may be minimum row index, it will be better. Then it will be -1. And go to the next line, we create a for loop for I in range in first, and next once count sum first array a1 will count. Then go to next function, if once count less than mean once count. Then mean once count minus count equal once count. Then minimum row index equals to 1. Then return minimum row index plus 1. Why create this? We create because adding 1 to convert from 0 based to 1 based index for this. Now compile, and yeah, now submit. We solve today's problem.